Hi everyone! Today for my wife, Fatman cooks scrambled eggs with milk, dried chives and ham. Breakfast in bed version. Oh, ham. Let's get it started. Set the heat to medium-high and break 2 eggs in a bowl for whisking. Throw the eggshells in a basket, there is no need to make a mess, and add milk to the eggs. Do not forget to add the oil to the pan before you start whisking the eggs, or the smoke will trigger a fire alarm. We will now add 3 times 300 grams of undivided attention to the dish. After the first 300 grams, first small bubbles will appear. We are adding another 300 grams of attention and we will get the first big bubbles. We are now adding the last 300 grams of attention. If we are not seeing several big bubbles after this, we will add another 100 grams. A kilo in total. Make sure that the pan is not overheated and add the eggs. We do not want the eggs to stick to the pan. We are not making an omelette, we are making scrambled eggs. It is better to underheat than overheat the pan. While the pan is heating, we can toast the bread. Do not forget to clean the mess that you are making. Now we need to add a kilo of love into the dish. After the first 200 grams, we will see the first lumps. We will clean the egg bowl as we will use it for serving. There is no need to dirty 2 bowls. And we will add another 500 grams of love and the dish will start to thicken slowly. Always move the pan away from the direct heat when you're moving around the kitchen. Get the toasted bread out and add the third slice. We will add another 200 grams of love and the dish will get creamy. now add salt and pepper, per taste of course. We did not add them before, as they would break the consistency of the eggs. We will now add the last 100 grams of love, and that's it, the eggs are done. Make sure to turn off the heat, as we don't want to start a fire. And of course transfer the eggs to the serving bowl. We will now arrange the dish. First, spread the mayo on the bread. Then we will add the eggs. Make sure to press them a bit with your spoon so that they stick to the bread. We will now sprinkle the dried chives. Time to warm up a bit. And last but not least, cover with ham. Serve with a light version of yogurt or another similar dairy product. We do not want our wife to gain weight, of course. Like, share and subscribe if you want, but make sure that you are proving your love to the people you love daily. All we have to do now is to take this to our wife, who is still sleeping in her bed, before she wakes up. Bon appetit!